Here's my 4-inch Minka aire cosept 4. This is my
Bonnie,
in
wanna
here.
blow this out, baby?
No talking.
Sorry.
Over here. In that kitchen over there, that's my cosept 3. There it is. That's my stag. That's my gather meter. In that ziplock right there fell down. There it is. That's all fans I got. That's my, one more fan left. That's my Hampton Bay Air Plus 2. That's my Minka Aire cosept 4. I'll take a video of one now. I will show you the top of the blades. The blades are really saggy. My gas lamp used to be in my room. Now move it outside. Here it is. I'll put a fan right there too. It's gonna be a Hampton Bay tipple 16-inch. Right there, I am right here. A reason to put a blue sticky on it, I have no more rubber bands, and that fan blade is gonna hit the branch. You can see it's pretty close to it. Yeah, it's close. A bit. That's the fan blade sagging. I was sitting on a bench right here to look at it. Sagging down. It's wobbly. Now let's go back to it. Now, this fan is awesome. 4 blades. So, may squats and have a great day.